What's your next story?
This
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. I am teacher Lev.
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking about something.
Okay.
This is
What story?
there's three people named Abednego and also ano tawag ma?
Cedra?
Sadrach and then ano
May?
pa? Mesak.
Mm-hmm.
And then they didn't pray in the statue, only God. And then they put it in the fire
Why?
because they didn't listen to sir.
To serve?
And then when they hear the sound of a music,
Mm-hmm.
they will pray to the statue and then raise. And then the three peoples didn't bow down, only just for God. And then go in the fire, and then they didn't die because there's four people. And then the king says, come out because there's four people coming in on the fire.
Uh-huh. They did not die?
And then they didn't smell smokes.
Uh-huh.
Or
They did
any-
not die on the fire?
Yes,
Why?
because they are alive because there's Jesus inside.
Oh, is that possible?
Yes.
Hmm? Di ba you will die when you are in a fire?
Yes, I will die.
But why they did not die?
Because Jesus is inside. That's why.
Oh.
Subscribe!
Bakit sila napunta sa fire, yung tatlo?
Because they always didn't listen to the statue. Now they are in the fire.
Oh, that's their punishment?
Yes.
And then who helped them?
The king.
The